Okay, so today I was out in Warrenville, Illinois. I was touring a brand new home at the community of Stafford Place by Airhart Construction, and they just completed this new single-family cottage home. It's gorgeous, great layout, low maintenance living. The plan is called the McAlister, and that's what I'm going to show you today. Now the McAlister offers a nice open plan which encompasses the great room, the dining room, the kitchen, and an adjacent hearth room. You have 9-foot ceilings and wood floors all throughout the main level here. And just off the kitchen, you have your hearth room, which is a great space to keep you part of the conversation when everybody's in the kitchen. The kitchen itself is nice and bright and open. You have a large island with granite countertops. You have stainless steel appliances and custom crafted cabinetry. And with the subway tiles on the backsplash, it really completes the look. And upstairs you have 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths. Here's your master. Generous walk-in closet here. Here's your second bath. This is your laundry room and your 2 bedrooms. Now let's go take a look at the lower level. Now the lower level features a large family room, or it can be used as a home office, a theater room, a workout room, whatever your needs are. And just over here is a 2-car garage. Now the garage enters from the rear of the home into the lower level foyer with a large lower level foyer closet. Well, that completes the tour of the McAlister by Airhart Construction. We'll see you next tour.